Zdravo ljudi moji, ja sam Zeka i dobrodošli opet na još jedan novi klip kod mene. Danas igramo Among Us 3D. Inače ja sam isto i pre dosta igrao Among Us, ne 3D naravno, ovo je normalna 2D, ali sam prestao jer su ovi naši isto također prestali da igraju to. Ali sad igramo Among Us u 3D. Sad iskreno nemam pojma kako će ovo da bude ili da izgleda, mislim, dobro, 3D sve uglavnom i to je to, ali ono, šta ja znam. Aj ništa, da idemo, da počnemo. If you're new to Among Us or virtual reality, we recommend... ne. Ajmo, ništa, da vidimo, da uhvatimo neki tu lobby, pa da vidimo što će da bude. Yo, can someone hear me, man? Yo.
Yo.
Can you guys hear me?
Niggers.
Yes. Ovo je dosta čudno. O, vidi ga. Kako se to radi? Kako da... Aha. Vidi ti to... Aha. Ovo su kao neki emotes. Mislim kao... Najveće. Okej, da vidimo. Ja sam inženjer, okej. Postoji jedan imposter. Among Us. Ništa. Idemo moji. Pa šta bude. Ja mogu da vidim... dobro, kao i oni. Okej. Sad ću da me neko jebao. A vidjet ću. You good, man? Are you safe?
Yeah. Yes, I'm safe.
I am safe also. I'm an engineer.
I'm normal crewmate.
Okay. Oh shit. Kako? Mora ide se dole, jebot. Ja sam se zaboravio za sve, jebot. Jebi. Znači crveni verujem, makar za sada, neko je sabotažao ovo. Shit. I ova kartica ona kao... Ne? Ovo? A jeste. What the fuck? Okej. To je bilo malo zajebano. Evo džubre. Da jebot. Ko je ovo? Moram ovdje jebot. Da vidim, aha. Trougao plus... Aj zdravo. Ne bre, ne tu, hoću idem kod storage. Sad kad me neko jebe ovdje.
Пойдем за мной.
What?
Whoa.
Вот.
You guys safe, man? Na kurac. Čekaj. Sad ću ne. Gdje je reaktor? Evo ga. Zapravo treba tu nešto radim. Jo, ne ovo, brat. What the... Aha. Where was the body?
In light.
I was in reactor.
I don't know,
Have you seen someone near the body, man? Ja zapravo ne mogu da ih čujem, jebot. I to je malo ono. Do we skip? Ja ih uopšte ne čujem, brat. The body was in electrical, okej. Pa mislim ništa, brate, ja ću da skipujem, ono. A što ne možeš da napraviš kao svoj... Čekaj, možeš? Možeš da napraviš svojih partija, jel tako? Moguće? Da mogu bi da igraš s nekim. Mada ne znam da li možeš da bude kao privatno, ali ono... Svakako. Idem ja kod... Reaktor, jel tako? Trebao bi da bude reaktor.
Сюда.
Jel, popuno drugačije, brate, majke mi. Da vidimo. Okej. What the fuck? A neko se tu zadržava. I'm an engineer, I'm an engineer, I'm an engineer. Ej, jebi ga. Fail to fix, kakvi su, ja ne mogu da skapiram, ono, ali ajde, kao, jebi ga.
He is gay.
Who is gay?
He, the white is gay. White is gay.
Why are you gay?
Why are you gay?
Why are you gay?
Who is gay?
White is gay.
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay.
White, why are you gay?
White is gay. White.
O, idemo, bre. Mada ja sam ga najeo, brate. Kako se sabotožuje, jebot? A, preko mapa, okej. Mislim, kao... Možda da fake taskuješ, vajde možeš, jebot. Aj recimo... I mogu... sad mogu. Daj da vidimo. Gdje je vent? Nema vent!
Natala is not the impostor. Purple not.
Where...
No, Jose! Where is the body? Black.
Where is the body?
Black? Black? Where is the body? Talk.
Who? I was in the upper engine. Where was the body?
I think it's red. I think.
Who?
I think it's red because Black say that you are the impostor. Because Purple is not impostor.
Ref.
I would say black, it's black, but never
Red?
mind.
Red, are you gay? You like boys
Meni priča.
or no? Red?
Yes, I'll highlight.
Red?
Moram dobijem ljubičasti. Ujebat.
What?
Dime.
¿Qué? No sé, ¿eres tú?
Ovaj priča nešto, brate, ono... Idi brevot. No hable español, brate.
Bye bye, Red.
Blue.
No.
Is it
Purple.
blue?
It's red.
It's blue.
It's black.
Why me?
It's
Why?
black.
Why
It's
me?
black. It's black.
Blue.
It's black.
I didn't do anything. Why?
You aren't impostor. It's black. I
What?
It's
am-
blue.
I push the button. I press the button.
It's blue.
I press the button. You think I press the button and he says I am the impostor.
Well, it isn't
No,
me.
It's blue.
You don't impostor. It's the blue.
Blue,
Because
blue.
purple don't.
Blue.
Purple don't impostor.
It's blue.
It's black.
Okay. I...
Vote black, please.
Votation. It's blue.
It's black, please. You think?
I don't
You
know.
think with the hair. Purple?
I'll...
No, that's blue. Blue.
Purple.
It's blue.
Vote black.
This is a bit tough for me.
No,
I don't...
It's blue.
Okay,
Mira,
Black,
mira.
okay. Okay.
Okay. Who?
I mean,
Who votes?
Blue, you said...
No, bro.
Blue. Yeah.
No.
I voted for
Purple.
blue because you said it was me, but it wasn't me.
Ah, yeah, it's blue.
You don't.
I'm in the puppet too! I died. Oh no. Shit. Sa su ga najebali. Jesam ja to sad rekao, brate, dok sam držao ovo? Najjače. Sad su ga najebali, sad su ga najebali, sad su ga najebali, sad su ga najebali. Ja sam počeo da pevam, jebote. Kelo! Idemo. Meni se sviđa ovo Among Us, iskreno. Mada, ne znam, iskreno, brate, po mom mišljenju, 2D Among Us je ipak, ja mislim, i bolja opcija za ovako kad igraš Among Us. Nekako ovako dok je 3D, aj razumijem, koncept je svakako, ajde, ili ta ideja, šta god, je kao zanimljiva, ali za ovako nešto prosto nije, ne odgovara to isto kao što je taj običan Among Us s onim 2D grafikom, šta god. Nije to neko. Ali svako jeste zanimljivo. Kao eto da probaš. Čekaj, jel sam ja host? Ili ne? A ja jesam host, imam krunu tamo kod ovdje. Ajmo da vidimo šta možemo da promenimo. Imamo imposter, auto, zašto to auto je? Ne mogu da promenim, okej. What the fuck? Šta je to bilo? Čekaj, aj slikaj mene. Najjače. Vidi ga! Employees of the month. Jesam to ja, bukvalno. Hejteri, vidiš ti ovo? Ne mogu da verujem, prvi put sam ušao u ovaj Among Us 3D šta god, već imam hejtere jebot, vidi ovo.
What are you saying?
Ima 2 impostera jebot.
Let's win.
What's up?
Yo. Are you safe, man?
Yes.
Same. It's... I know who it is. I saw him. It's red. It's red. It's literally red. White can...
I saw it.
Zato, because I literally saw him in electrical, how he killed... who was it? Black. White knows I'm safe.
I didn't kill anyone.
Yes.
Bro.
Why did? Why?
It is red. It
You
is
are.
red. No, it's red.
I'm not.
I literally see him.
What are you
No,
saying?
why isn't it
It's
you?
blue.
Why isn't it you?
I
Shut
love
up.
If it's not red,
I-
then it's blue.
I was
Then
doing
you
the
know
tasks
blue.
and he
Okay.
No, I
If it's
wasn't.
not red, we
You
goes
were.
yellow, okay?
You.
Okay.
But
I'm voted red. If you're a crewmate, I'm sorry, red, but
no.
I'm really
He is
sorry,
the
but,
imposter. He is the imposter.
yeah,
bro.
the blue guy said that
It is red. It is red. Trust me.
Marius, a tu puta casa, Marius.
Oh my god.
A
God,
tu
we are
puta
losing.
casa.
Ne može.
What are you doing?
We vote blue if it's not red, okay?
Yes.
Okay,
If it's not red, you can vote me free. You can vote me freely, but it is red.
No choice.
Orange.
Orange, you here or are you AFK?
I think he is AFK.
Orange,
Okay, I
vote,
think
orange,
you're
vote,
right.
orange, vote. Vote orange.
Is
Okay,
yellow.
Wait, yellow. I didn't do anything.
Yes.
See?
Nice.
Okay, white. I wanted to.
Ja za sada rasturam, ljudi moji. Ali bukvalno, brate, ja vidim ovaj crni otišao tamo, pa sam je malo teo sam da malo čekam pa da vidim, i bukvalno, brate, gubio, ono, na mesto, ono. Tako da, ono. Jebi ga, brate. A ovo je download, okej. Ima još jedno. A to je ovo sranje.
Oh no!
What happened?
I saw the body in the reactor.
In reactor?
Yeah. I found it too. I really like the pink guy, but I don't know.
Wait.
Just,
Were you two together?
Yeah. We were together.
Wait, you yellow and
Yes.
yellow and who?
Me.
White.
Okay, yellow and white. I believe in you too. I am also a crewmate because you know I did vote out the imposter, so you know I'm safe. It's
Yeah, you are safe.
I
it's
think we should
orange
skip.
or green. It's orange and green.
I think we should skip.
Nah, man, I feel bad for the pink. Like, if he wanted to
Let's
help me,
skip.
but I juked. Yeah, I'm the imposter. You know,
What?
I feel bad for the guy.
I
Like,
mm,
I just killed in front of the white. Yeah.
Yes.
And he just wanted
I'm
to help me.
I'm
and I
going
feel bad
I
for
am
that.
going to skip.
Vote for me. Vote for no. Vote for me. I'm the imposter.
Well, we will.
100%.
I voted for skip, but if you do get voted out, then. But we will. Ja sam zborio da nisam odimutao.
Okay.
Zamisli da to bio zaista on, brate. Ali zašto? Zbog čega, brate? Dobro, zeleni je tu. Triangle,
Blah 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 blah.
Yo. I'm here, I'm here.
Let's be here.
Yeah,
I'm scared.
I'm doing trash, you can see.
Nice. I could see.
Oh, yeah, it's orange. It's orange, it's orange.
Hold up. Let me see something.
It's orange.
It's white or blue.
Shut up.
No,
White
no.
or blue.
Shut up all.
Because green
Shut up
was
all.
in electrical,
Shut up all.
and I saw you.
Shut up.
No.
It's yellow because he's my friend and he's like.
No,
he
white
is
or blue. White
No,
or
no, it's
Yellow.
What?
I'd
What do you
say
mean?
it's
I was
white.
just
it's
doing
orange.
some
It's
tasks.
literal. It's orange, people.
You
Because
say, oh, okay,
what-
I mean, you voted the imposter, so I can believe that what you are
He
saying.
said.
Okay.
last
White,
round
white,
Yes.
white.
and I did the
Yes,
trash. White
he-
did see
White
saw
and
me.
blue
Yes.
entered the electrical
Who we vote? Who we
room
vote?
where green
Orange,
was
orange,
killed.
orange. It's
I
here.
saw
what?
them both
Because-
entering
Okay,
the
orange.
electrical.
Guys, shut up.
It's orange because he left electrical.
Last round.
No,
Doesn't
I
matter.
didn't.
White
I
or
I was just.
Vote them
doing a
out.
What do
decision.
you mean?
You're fired.
I was with the blue
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man.
the whole round. It's
Nah.
It's orange.
Vote for the. Oh yeah, it's orange for sure.
it's yellow. No.
Jebiga, ne.
Oh
Yes,
no!
Blue, we need
Who
to
can-
run. Blue, we need to run. He's impostor.
Oh no!
I don't
Who
know if
could
he
do
has enough
something like
time
that?
though.
Yeah, I mean you have, but
Damn.
maybe not.
Fuck you, man.
Maybe just-
A zašto? Zašto bi rekao onda?
He's gonna be there. Oh no. We are dead.
No. We need to run away from him. Be careful.
Go. Fast.
Hello, not me.
Ah.
Hello, Blue. What's up, man? I said I was the imposter.
But why would you say you were an imposter?
Yeah, I feel bad for the pink, and I killed him in front of the white that he thrown.
But why? Why would you feel sorry?
Yeah,
Because he's a fucking
Pink. You explain.
I was just playing with him and he killed me.
Yeah, but White saw that, and White wasn't an imposter. He was a crewmate.
No, I thought he.
And I told
I forgot there's only
he
one
was
imposter.
imposter And no one
Yeah, so we're not mad. Okay,
But
that's great.
why didn't you say you saw? If you said you saw him kill, I would have believed you.
Well,
I
he said,
told that I saw him.
he said I was the imposter.
Yes, but
A lot of times.
a lot of people can say, "Oh, he's an imposter," but it's different when you say, "I saw him kill."
Oh, that's...
I don't know.
Yeah, that's a point.
Pa bukvalno, brate, mislim, ono.
Can take
Ok, ljudi moji, to je bio to za Among Us 3D, probali smo ovu igricu i iskreno, ajde, bilo zabavno onako tamo. Ja mislim da bi bilo mnogo zabavnije kad bi mogo da napraviš private games i sve ostalo. Mislim da će to izlaziti kad bude bilo full verzija. Ja bih iskreno volao bi da to izlazi za besplatno, ali teško. A svako vidjet ćemo, možda bude izašao za besplatno, nikad se ne zna. Ali u svakom slučaju, mislim da neće, ali šta ćeš. Ali u svakom slučaju da, eto ti, hvala vam svima što ste bili ovdje. Ako vam se svidio ovaj klip, dajte like, šerite, subite se kao i uvek, a mi se vidimo nekad, drugi put, negdje, otko je znam. Tako da, vidimo se. Ćao, čao!